Welcome to Dialogue Lesson 12.
The dog runs in the park. I have a dog. There are many dogs in the park.
They run in the park because it is safe.
It is not safe to run on the road. There are many cars on the road. There is too much traffic.
I have many friends. I have 1, 2, 3 friends.
I do not have much time. I can count my many friends, but I can't count time.
I have many tasks and I have too much work. I can count my tasks. I clean, I cook, I learn. I can't count my work.
If I can count something, I can say many. If I can't count something, I say much. 1, 2, 3.
4, 5, 6.
7, 8, 9.
10, 11, 12. How much time?
How many minutes?
I learn English with my teacher.
I run in the park with my dog.
There are many students at my school. There is not much work today.